इससे केवल कर्नल सोफिया का ही अपमान नहीं है, बल्कि हमारी देश की बहादुर जाबाज और जिस सेना जिसको दुनिया के लोग लोहा मानते हैं, गौरवशाली इतिहास हमारी सेना का, उसको अपमानित करने का काम किया।
Madhya Pradesh Minister Kunwar Vijay Shah has yet again left his party red-faced with a remark that, according to the opposition, alluded to Colonel Sophia Qureshi, one of the faces of Operation Sindoor. Now, Shah, an important tribal leader in the BJP ranks and a controversial figure, said at an event near Mau on Monday that India had taught a lesson to those responsible for the Pahalgam terror attack using their own sister, triggering a backlash from the Congress that alleged he referred to Colonel Qureshi. The minister thrice repeated his comment during the speech. He later clarified that his speech should not be seen in a different context.
कि जो घटना हुई, मैं उस दिन से विचलित हूं और पूरा मेरा बैकग्राउंड मिलिट्री वाला रहा। मेरे परिवार में कई शहीद हुए, मिलिट्री में रहे और उस दिन की घटना के बाद जहां हमारे हिंदू बहनों को उनके सामने उनके पिता, उनके पति, उनके बेटे के मांगों में, बहनों के मांगों से सिंदूर उजाड़ दिया गया। सोफिया बहन हमारी सगी बहन से बड़ी है, जिन्होंने राष्ट्र धर्म निभाते हुए जाति समाज से ऊपर जाके उन लोगों से बदला लिया। वो बहन हमारी सगी बहन से महत्वपूर्ण है और मेरा ना तो ऐसा कोई मन था, ना इच्छा थी, और उसके बावजूद अगर जोश में कोई बात निकल गई हो और किसी को बुरी लगी हो तो मेरा ना उद्देश्य था। फिर भी अगर किसी को लगी हो तो मैं दिल से एक बार नहीं 10 बार माफी मांगता कि हम देश प्रेमी आदमी हैं और हर समाज के लोग जिन्होंने आज हिंदुस्तान के लिए जाति से बढ़कर काम किया है। कोई बात गुस्से में अगर निकल गई और किसी को बुरी लगी तो मैं भगवान नहीं हूं, मैं भी इंसान हूं, 10 बार में माफी मांगता हूं।
मंत्री ने जिस तरह से कर्नल, जिसने कि संग्राम को लीड किया, सोफिया, उसके संबंध में बहुत ही अपमानजनक और बहुत ही घटिया मानसिकता की सोच का बयान दिया। इससे केवल कर्नल सोफिया का ही अपमान नहीं है, बल्कि हमारी देश की बहादुर जाबाज और जिस सेना जिसको दुनिया के लोग लोहा मानते हैं, गौरवशाली इतिहास हमारी सेना का, उसको अपमानित करने का काम किया। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जो शासन का मंत्री है, उसकी घटिया मानसिकता और घटिया सोच है। ऐसे स्थिति में मैं मांग करता हूं कि तत्काल ऐसे मंत्री को शासन से बर्खास्त किया जाए और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं से हम मांग करते हैं कि ऐसे नेता को पार्टी से निष्कासित किया जाए। ये बहुत गंभीर आरोप है और जिसने बहादुरी का काम किया है, आने वाला इतिहास किसी के लिए लिखे या न लिखे, लेकिन सोफिया का नाम इस देश की सेना में बहुत बहादुरी से लिया जाएगा।
Shah, who has won 8 consecutive elections from the scheduled tribe reserved Harsut seat, is the current Minister of Tribal Affairs, Public Asset Management and Bhopal Gas Tragedy Relief and Rehabilitation. His tendency to find himself in the middle of controversies has often overshadowed his rise from the forest of Khandwa to the upper ranks of Madhya Pradesh politics. In 2013, Shah was forced to resign from the state cabinet over alleged sexist comments on then Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan's wife. He was subsequently reinstated, however. But why is he relevant for the BJP? Well, a BJP leader requesting anonymity said Shah's considerable sway in Harsood and surrounding tribal regions had helped him stay afloat despite facing disciplinary action over the controversy 12 years ago. He cannot be sidelined and holds key portfolios in the Mohan Yadav cabinet despite many Chauhan-era ministers being dropped, the leader said. Shah's importance in the BJP stems from the party's renewed focus on tribal voters who make up around 21% of the state's population and are estimated to influence electoral outcomes in 47 of the state's 230 assembly seats. The BJP won only 16 of these seats compared to the Congress's 30 in 2018, losing power in the state. 5 years later, the BJP's tally rose to 24 as it retained power, having formed the government in 2020 following the collapse of the Kamal Nath administration. This is, however, not the first time Shah has invited trouble. In 2018, Shah's apparent reference to the transgender community landed him in the soup, and 4 years later, he yet again left the BJP in a spot of bother with his insulting remarks on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's predecessors. He said 75 years have passed since the country gained independence, but Modi is the first leader who is improving the lives of the poor. Before him, all prime ministers were Ghoda, Gadha and Hathi Chap. None of them cared for the poor. Later in 2022, Shah took a whale dig at Congress MP Rahul Gandhi, saying, and I quote, "He is 55-56 years old and is not married. My son is 28 years old and is already married. In a family, if your child is unmarried at 25, neighbors raise questions." He also quoted controversy during his tenure as Education Minister after he mandated students to answer roll call with Jai Hind. In what was perceived as a veiled threat to minority institutions, Shah in July last year warned of cutting government aid to schools and madrasas that did not play the national anthem. Shah also found himself at the receiving end of wildlife activists' criticism in December 2024, and a probe was initiated against him after videos surfaced in which he was seen enjoying a picnic in the core zone of Satpura Tiger Reserve. The video showed Shah standing atop a forest watchtower with two men cooking. The minister was heard saying, "Today is the real picnic, it is a great one." For more such stories, keep watching the Indian Express.